ELT India and Biophilic Space Studio are the innovators of most innovative technologies for the world. Now introducing ELT VERDURIUM, a new way of creating open paludarium. Paludarium is a piece of greenery, complete ecosystem, or an open hybrid horticulture system, which is lightweight, modular, portable, and customizable as per the requirements. This is supported by ELT India's patented products like Verdant Green for modular structure and ELT Living Foam as sustainable, stable, reinforced structural media, which is hydrophilic, composite foam substrate. This ensures holding of sufficient air and water in the media and thereby maintain optimum moisture content in the root zone. This provides planting area all over the surface. It not only has inbuilt irrigation system, but one can also introduce centralized misting network, thus ensuring conducive environment. Its vanishing water effect enhances site aesthetics. It supports variety of vegetations like epiphytes, aroids, bryophytes, pteridophytes, bromeliaceae, arums, and many other. It is pre-grown and provides immediate effect and rapid on-site installations. It is a versatile solution for green infrastructure adaptable to various environments. All the above features make the system distinct and user-friendly with practical efficiency for urban settings.